Welcome to GameDevQatar community. Our community founded by indie game developers and gamers at 2018, with a goal to support game development scene in Qatar. GameDevQatar have made a few game dev workshops, to teach famous game engines like Unreal Engine and Unity. All activities done by our community members. We also have published YouTube video tutorials submitted by our members. Videos available in Arabic and English. We have over 200 members in our Discord server. Our members have different interests, but they share the same passion to learn game development. Our community is active on social media. You can follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. You can sign up to join our community through the Google form link. We promote and support our members' game projects. We support local artists and other talents, and we encourage collaboration between our members to do their projects. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact GameDevQatar at any time.